Another day in buzzing Dubai and another conference. I'm here with Mojtaba from Darico, and he's going to tell us a bit about his journey into the crypto space and what's in store for the future as well. Mojtaba, thank you for being with us. Tell us a bit about your journey into this space.
Thanks, Eman, for having me on. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure mine.
I have heard about Bitcoin back in 2012 when the story of Silk Road was on the news, but I didn't pay much attention. But I started learning and educating myself about blockchain back in 2015. And I've seen the potential that the technology is capable of disrupting the financial system. And then I started basically getting to understand slightly on the Ethereum when the smart contracts were released in 2015. And I think in 2017 we started a project called Darico, and our aim basically is to be a bridge between the crypto and conventional markets.
Okay, and the model so you started 2015 or 17 with
2015
Darico?
I started basically educating myself, trying to understand and learn.
A couple of years?
Absolutely, yes. By 2017 we were ready to launch a project, we formed a team, and gradually we started.
Yeah, and Darico in 2017 versus Darico in 2021. How has that journey been? Bumpy road, smooth?
Certainly it's been a bumpy road, and we have evolved and we have learned a lot. I mean, by the time that we hit the market by early 2018, it was the beginning of a prolonged bear market.
That's right.
And a lot of projects could not survive this period. But fortunately, we have been sailing through this difficult time, and we have been evolving and developing and launching new platforms. And I'm glad that we are now enjoying the bull market.
Yeah, and what changed? So the mission of Darico back in 2017 was one, but as of recent, you realigned a bit the mission statement.
Absolutely. So the initial idea of Darico was to be an asset-backed cryptocurrency. We were trying to address three issues at the time. High volatility of crypto assets, illiquid market. We were trying to address the liquidity and the positive correlation among the asset classes. So you see when Bitcoin rally, it would take most of the altcoins with it, and so it would be difficult to build a diversified portfolio back then. It was difficult, and we had an idea of an asset-backed cryptocurrency which was backed by conventional assets and digital assets at the time. But we did not proceed with that idea, given we should have applied for security licenses. So we changed the initial idea when we relaunched Darico with an ecosystem of different platforms and products. I think we came a long way. Now currently we are running an exchange, a crypto exchange.
It's running, and it's active in any particular regions where you see more activity?
Yeah, we have a massive community from Russia, from Southeast Asia, from EU. Unfortunately, not a lot in GCC, but that's I think the market that we will be tapping on.
GCC?
Yes, in particular. But on the exchange, we offer 5 platforms. We offer spots, 200 plus spot pairs. We offer margin platform, we offer ETFs, we offer futures, and we offer OTCD.
Your take, you mentioned a buzzword, well you didn't, but your take on DeFi and NFTs. Let's start with DeFi.
Yeah, DeFi, I think it would be the structure of a new financial world, financial system. So it started with a few projects on trial basis. We've got some top projects on different purposes of the financial process. We have got AIBC, and we've got other big ones. But this is just the beginning. I think in 4 or 5 years, we'll see DeFi evolve much more. It will remove the need of a central authority to handle and process financial payments. And I think we'll be moving towards a decentralized financial world. And but technology should evolve. We have to improve on user interface. At the moment, a lot of DeFi protocols are being exploited due to security reasons, and they're not that user-friendly. A normal non-tech savvy investor cannot easily invest in these DeFi protocols. But eventually, I'm confident that we would overcome all of that, and we would reach to the point that anyone with basic computer literate can communicate and can deal with
NFTs.
DeFi protocols. NFTs are...
It's an emerging buzzword,
right?
But it's taking the whole industry by storm.
Right. It was expected. I mean, I think Q3 last year, a lot of thought leaders in the industry, they were expecting that NFT will be the next big things in the industry after DeFi, and now we are seeing it happening. And I mean, it's fascinating to see and witness, digital arts being sold on an auction for $70 million. And I think this is just the beginning.
The record is over 50, 60, $69 million.
Absolutely, yes.
You blink, you're missing the next big thing.
Yes, and I think there is a huge potential with digital assets initially, and then we will be having a lot of conventional assets being represented as a token, and those being auctioned and sold as NFT.
Well, certainly a lot to talk about, a lot happening, and I for sure look forward to see you again in Dubai.
It's been a pleasure.
Come May 25th to 26th for the AIBC Summit.
Absolutely.
And I look forward to see you there.
Absolutely.
Thanks again for being with us.
Thank you. Pleasure.